Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I taught you tenses and its uses. Yesterday I taught you simple present tense only in the affirmative sentences. Today, how to use negative sentences in simple present tense and how to use interrogative sentences as well as interrogative negative sentences in simple present tense. Negative sentences, they will be including do plus not or does not. With singular number, we are going to use does not in the present tense, and plurals, we are going to use do not. And with I, you, they, and we are going to use do not. For example, she does not write letters. We do not write letters. So you observe the singular number, I have used does, and with the plural, I have used do. Now, how to use interrogative sentences? Do they write letters? Does she go there? So what we do, we have taken it out here, the helping verb, and the sentence is going to start with the helping verb. So do, subject is in plural, and then write letters. The thing which you have to mark in your mind, that is with do, we are not going to use S or ES anywhere, and with does, we are going to use S or ES. We are not going to use S or ES while converting them into interrogative sentences, because already I have written does here. It is denoting that it is in singular number. Now, how to use simple past tenses. Yesterday, when I taught you three forms of the verbs, I taught you the first is present or present participle, second is past, and third is past participle. So, you have to make note that only in simple past tenses we are going to use second form of the verb. Elsewhere, it is not going to be used. It is used in simple past tenses only. How to write down assertive sentences in simple past tense, because you are going to use the second form of the verb. It means they wrote a letter last night. I finished my task yesterday. She washed her clothes last evening. Observe that I have written wrote is the second form of the verb. Finish, second form of the verb. Wash, washed, washed, second form of the verb. But make a note that I have used a time period, that was last night, yesterday, and last evening. Later on, I will tell you why I have used it here. In one of the sentences, it is going to be shown that it is in past tense, but actually it is not. So you have to use a time period in simple past tense. Now, how to convert them into negative sentences? You have to apply did. Did is the helping verb of simple past tense. So I have written, I did not write a letter. While using did, you cannot use second form of the verb. Already it is past, two past cannot be here altogether. So you have to use first form of the verb with did. So I did not write a letter yesterday. Now, how to convert them into interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences, same procedure will be going on. Did will be here as it is the helping verb of simple past tense. So, did you complete your task last night? Question mark. Last night time period I have given you. Then interrogative negative sentences. Did not you complete your task last night? If I am going to add why or how, is WH and H questions, I have to use likewise why did not you complete your task last night. So today you have to revise it, recall it, and tomorrow again I am going to upload my video based on continuous tense. Thank you.